नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? सब खुश हो? पढ़ाई अच्छे से कर रहे हो? गुड. You all are happy children? Good. Okay. So before starting the class, we will go for first one line Hindi speaking. Today we will learn आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप क्या कर रहे हो? Means what are you doing? आप means you. As you know, where तुम शब्द we will use. If people are same age or younger than you, you have to say तुम, and if someone is elder than you, you have to use word आप. So decent way, better we will go for आप. Okay, always we should talk good word. Okay, so instead of using तुम, we will say आप. आप means you. क्या what? कर रहे हो are doing. Okay, हो means are, that is a present tense, and करना means doing. This is a verb. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? Okay, or you can say also तुम क्या कर रहे हो? How you will reply? In Hindi, if someone is asking आप क्या कर रहे हो या तुम क्या कर रहे हो, how you will reply? You will say मैं. मैं means I. Someone is asking question, so you will reply only. So you have to say I. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. Or what work you are doing, you can say like singing, dancing, studying, okay, watching TV, anything you can say what you are doing. So we will go for पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. If boy is there, रहा हूँ. If girl is there, रही हूँ. You know this thing ना? If girl is there, ई की मात्रा will come. If boy is there, आ की मात्रा will come. So question is तुम क्या कर रहे हो या आप क्या कर रहे हैं? Reply will be मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. और मैं टीवी देख रही हूँ. और मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ. Okay children, now we will start our lesson. Okay, before going to book, I'll show you some picture. Can you see? What is this? This is called postcard. Okay, this is called postcard, and it comes in 50 paisa. Okay, it comes in 50 paisa. In this there is no envelope. Only one card is there, like a greeting card, but greeting card is having two sides. You can fold it. No, this is not foldable. What front area you can see here? In there you have to write the address to whom you are sending. Okay, to whom you are sending the letter, that address will be there. Back side, what message you are writing. Okay, what will be the message, what message you want to send, you can write. That is open. Okay, anyone can read. That is known as a postcard. Normally people are using this if you are going some tourist place. Okay, and beautiful cards are there, so from that place you can purchase and you can write with good memories, you are here, this is a beautiful place, or some any message you can give. That is not a secret message. Any open message you can see, means anyone can read that message. You can write on postcard. Okay, now what is this? Can you see this one? Looking very good. Actually this message, this type of envelope, you can send message to another country, one country to another country. If you are sending the letter or message, you have to use this type of envelope. This is air mail. You can see the flight picture is there, na? So flight, where it will go? one country to another country. Okay, so air message beginning. Now flight is going, domestic flight is there. Inside your country, one state to another state also you can go. But this letter people are using to send one country to another country. If you want to send the letter inside your country, what kind of envelope you want? This one. This is called Antardesi. Okay, Antardesi. Antardesi means, Antar means inside. Okay, inside your country, if you want to send, you have to use this one. And this first beginning you can see na, you can fold this and it will be a proper fold. Okay, you can write your message and you can stick from everywhere and you can send. This is normal. If you will send na, it will go in 3 to 4 days, it will reach to the destination. And this is beginning, same thing, India Post. See, here our Bharatiya Dak is there written na. This is our postal symbol, postal symbol. This is India Post. Okay, logo is there, and here you can see pin code is there. Pin code I told you na, postal index number. First number is saying about our state, another district, and last 3-digit number is showing about the area, what town you are living, what is the nearest post office. To read this pin code number only, postman uncle na giving our letter to our house. Okay, and see bhejne sender's address, who is sending, okay, to whom you are sending, all those things you have to write here. Air mail I told you. And this is, see, inside your country, if you want to send anything, this one required. Okay, blue color packet was for outside the country. Inside your country, this type of envelope you can send here. Okay, or some other also is the registry paper you can send inside, some small thing like a rakhi. See here, rakhi mail is there na, for brothers sisters are tying, that also you can put in that and you can send inside your country, one state or in district, anywhere you can send. What is this? This is a stamp paper. If you are sending a letter, till you will not put the stamp paper na, the stamps, your letter will not go. Means you are paying a very minimum amount to government to send your letter. This is like a, this is very old, 5 paisa, 25 paisa, but now stamps are 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee. So depends where you want to send that. Okay, and what is the value of your letter, that is very important. You want to send it fast, you want to send in 2-3 days, different types of things is there. As per that, there is a value, and that many rupee you have to send the stamp and you have to stick on your letter, then only it will go. Without stamp you can't send the letter. Okay, means you are sending but you are not paying, and that is a very minimum amount. So this all the different types of letter and how to send and what is the formality. Can you see this picture? Who is he? Today we will read about this person. He is a not very much famous, but he is a very daring and good person. He is a postman and his name is Kanwar Singh. Okay, his name is Kanwar Singh. Okay, he is a postman. Today we will read his story. शिमला की माल रोड पर डाकिये की कहानी, कंवर सिंह की जुबानी. डाकिये की कहानी, डाकिया मीन्स पोस्टमैन, पोस्टमैन स्टोरी, कंवर सिंह की जुबानी. एंड दिस पोस्टमैन नेम इज कंवर सिंह. ओके, ही इज सेइंग his story, how a postman life is there, how he is working, what things is happening in their life, what is good in his life, in his job, and what is bad in his job. All those things he is discussing. With whom he is discussing? There is a journalist. Okay, media person is there, who is taking the news. So he is talking with one journalist. शिमला की माल रोड पर जनरल पोस्ट ऑफिस है. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ शिमला. एंड वेयर इज शिमला? शिमला इज इन हिमाचल प्रदेश. ओके, दैट इज अ हिल स्टेशन. उसी पोस्ट ऑफिस के एक कमरे में डाक छांटने का काम चल रहा है. सो दिस स्टोरी इज फ्रॉम शिमला माल रोड जनरल पोस्ट ऑफिस. You know what is general post office? In general post office, for a district, all letter in one district, all letter will come. From there only, lot of postman is there, people is there. They will just keep separate which area, which letter will go. Okay, which town, which village, how many letter is there? They will keep separate. Then that particular area. Okay, that particular area postman will go and he will give the letter to the house. Okay, उसी पोस्ट ऑफिस के एक कमरे में डाक छांटने का काम चल रहा है. सुबह के 11:30 बजे हैं. 11:30 मीन्स 11:30, 11:30 बजे हैं. ओके, so in general post office, morning all people are just segregating the letters. Okay, different which area what letter is there they are keeping, and that is the time of 11:30. खिड़की से गुनगुनी धूप छन कर आ रही है. and from the window little sunlight is coming. इस धूप का मजा लेते हुए 2 पैकर और 3 महिला डाकिया फटाफट डाक छांटने का काम कर रहे हैं. एंड as that is a hill station, always it will be very much cold, so little sunlight also will be very good for them. Okay, so they are sitting in that sunlight and they are doing their job. 3 mahila means ladies. 3 ladies are there and 2 packers who is packing the letters. They are there and they are doing their work. वहीं पर मैंने सरकार से पुरस्कार पाने वाले डाकिया कंवर सिंह जी से बात की. There only कंवर सिंह जी. Okay, he was sitting there and they are talking with him. आपका शुभ नाम. Okay, शुभ नाम means what is your name, what's your good name. A people who is taking interview na, he is asking with कंवर सिंह what's your name. कंवर सिंह is replying, मेरा नाम कंवर सिंह है. My name is कंवर सिंह. मैं हिमाचल प्रदेश के शिमला जिले के नेरवा गांव का निवासी हूँ. आई एम शिमला डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेरवा विलेज. आई एम द सिटीजन ऑफ नेरवा विलेज विच इज इन शिमला हिमाचल प्रदेश. मेरी उम्र 45 साल है. 45 साल मीन्स 45. 45. माई एज इज 45. I am 45 year old. Okay, that person is saying. आपके परिवार में कौन कौन है, उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए. How many people in your family? Say something about them. Okay, he is asking. मेरे 4 बच्चे हैं. I have 4 kids. 3 लड़कियां और 1 लड़का. 3 daughters and 1 son. 2 लड़कियों की शादी हो चुकी है. 2 girls are married. मेरा एक और बेटा भी था. I had 1 more son. वह मेरे गांव में एक पहाड़ी से लकड़ियां लाते हुए गिर गया और जिससे उसकी मौत हो गई. So he is saying, I have 1 more son. But in hill station once he was bringing some wood for cooking and he has fall down in hills and he has died. आपके बेटे के साथ जो हुआ उसका हमें बहुत दुख है. What has happened with your son? I feel sorry for that. आपके इलाके में इस तरह की घटनाएं क्या अक्सर होती हैं? In your area, this is a normal incident. It happens almost. जी, ऐसी घटनाओं का होना असाधारण नहीं है। यहाँ हर साल तिरछी ढलानों या ढाकों से घास काटते हुए कई औरतें गिरकर मर जाती हैं। Yes, he is saying yes, this is not a simple. As this is a hill station, there is no proper road, and to run their regular life, every year ladies will go to cut the grass, and just they will slip from hills and they will die. Many ladies, many people, they will die like this. They will fall in valley and they will die. फिर भी यहाँ ऐसे ही रास्तों से चलना पड़ता है, बट फॉर सर्वाइविंग वी हैव टू वॉक इन दिस टाइप ऑफ रोड, क्योंकि दूसरे कोई रास्ते होते ही नहीं हैं। एंड इन हिल स्टेशन देर इज़ नो अदर रोड, वट एवर अवेलेबल इन दैट ओनली वी हैव टू मैनेज। हमारे गांव में अभी तक बस नहीं पहुंच पाती है। एज देर इज़ नो रोड इन आवर विलेज, देर इज़ नो बस। ओके, we don't have any bus or auto facility in our village. हिमाचल में हजारों ऐसे गांव हैं जहां पैदल चलकर ही पहुंच सकते हैं। एंड इन हिमाचल प्रदेश, हिमाचल स्टेट, more than 1000 villages are there any auto, car, any four-wheeler can't reach. Okay, you have to go by walk only. Okay, फिर आपके बच्चे पढ़ने कैसे जाते होंगे? ही इज आस्किंग, देन हाउ योर चिल्ड्रंस गो टू स्कूल? मेरे बच्चे गांव के स्कूल में पढ़ने जाते हैं। माई चिल्ड्रंस आर गोइंग इन विलेज स्कूल। स्कूल लगभग 5 किलोमीटर दूर है, एंड फ्रॉम माई हाउस स्कूल इज अबाउट 5 किलोमीटर अवे। मेरी एक लड़की 10वीं तक पढ़ी है। माई वन डॉटर हैज स्टडीड टिल 10th स्टैंडर्ड, दूसरी 12वीं तक, सेकेंड वन टिल 12th स्टैंडर्ड, तीसरी लड़की 12वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रही है, एंड थर्ड डॉटर इज स्टडिंग इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड। बेटा 10वीं में पढ़ता है, एंड माई सन स्टडिंग इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड। सो नाउ यू नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट लाइफ ही इज लिविंग इन हिल स्टेशन, how life is difficult. Till 5 kilometer away in winter season or cold season, children are going by walk to school. काम के दौरान कभी कोई बहुत खास बात हुई हो? So he is asking, on your duty time, is there any special incident had happened? So Kanwar Singh is saying, okay, I'll tell you one story. मेरा तबादला शिमला के जनरल पोस्ट ऑफिस में हो गया था। आई गॉट अ ट्रांसफ़र इन शिमला जनरल पोस्ट ऑफिस। वहाँ मुझे रात के समय रेस्ट हाउस और पोस्ट ऑफिस चौकीदारी का काम दिया गया था। सो नाइट टाइम ही वॉज ऑन सिक्योरिटी ड्यूटी। यह 1998 की बात है। 29 जनवरी को रात लगभग 10:30 बजे का समय था। सो ही जस्ट रिमेम्बरिंग वन स्टोरी। 1998 29 जैन नाइट, इट वाज अराउंड 1:30। बाहर से किसी ने पोस्ट ऑफिस का दरवाज़ा खटखटाया। समवन हैज़ नॉक द डोर। इन पोस्ट ऑफिस समवन हैज़ नॉक द डोर। मैंने पूछा कौन है? आई आस्क हु इज़ देयर? जवाब आया, समवन हैज़ रिप्लाई आउटसाइड, दरवाज़ा खोलो, तुमसे बात करनी है। ओपन द डोर, वी वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू यू। मैंने दरवाज़ा खोला तो अचानक 5-6 लोग अंदर घुसे और मुझे पीटना शुरू कर दिया। आई ओपन द डोर, 5-6 पीपल केम इनसाइड एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू हिट मी। मैंने पूछा क्यों पीट रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। आई आस्क why you are hitting me? They didn't reply anything. सारे ऑफिस की लाइटें बंद कर दी, एंड ऑल लाइट दे हैव स्विच ऑफ। इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ समझ पाता, मेरे सिर पर किसी भारी चीज़ से कई बार मारा, जिससे मेरा सिर फट गया। He didn't understand anything till the 4-5 people, someone has hit him on his head and his had cracked and it has started to bleeding. मैं लगातार चिल्लाता रहा and with pain he was shouting, crying. उसके बाद मैं बेहोश हो गया and he fainted there only and he don't know next what happened. अगले दिन जब मुझे होश आया तो मैं शिमला के इंदिरा गांधी मेडिकल कॉलेज के अस्पताल में दाखिल था and next day when he was got up he was admitted in इंदिरा गांधी मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल शिमला. सिर में भयंकर दर्द हो रहा था and he is having a severe headache. उन दिनों मेरा 17 साल का बेटा मेरे साथ ही रहता था and he is having a 17-year-old son. Both are living together. उसी से पता चला कि मेरे चिल्लाने की आवाज़ सुनकर लड़का और ऑफिस के दूसरे लोग जो नज़दीक ही रहते थे दरवाजे के शीशे तोड़कर अंदर आए और मुझे अस्पताल पहुंचाया. So his son only told that night you are shouting and crying. We listen and we all people came. We break the window glasses and save you and we took you to the hospital. मेरे सिर पर कई टांके लगे थे. So many stitches was on my head. उसकी वजह से आज भी मेरी एक आँख से दिखाई नहीं देता है and due to that incident with my one eyes I can't see because in head they hit him badly, so some now problem he is not able to see with his one eyes. सरकार ने मुझे जान पर खेल कर डाक की चीज़ें बचाने के लिए बेस्ट पोस्टमैन का इनाम दिया and that time he fight with all people and he save all post office things. Okay, for he don't know for what that robbers has come, but he fight with them and he has saved all those things. For that government has given him best postman prize. Okay, best postman prize गवर्नमेंट हैज़ गिवन. यह इनाम 2004 में मिला था एंड दैट ऑनर इन 2004 गवर्नमेंट हैज़ गिवन एंड विद दिस ऑनर इस इनाम में 500 रुपये और प्रशस्ति पत्र भी दिया जाता है. सो बेस्ट पोस्टमैन प्लस 500 रुपये एंड 1 मेडल गवर्नमेंट हैज़ गिवन टू हिम. मैं और मेरा परिवार बहुत खुश हुए. Due to this honor, he and his family was very happy. आज भी मैं गर्व से कहता हूँ मैं बेस्ट पोस्टमैन हूँ. And today also with proud I will say to all people I am the best postman. So now children you got to know what is the life of a postman. It's not easy. Postman actually give happiness to us because he bring our lot of different type of messages. Maybe he will bring some relatives message, he will bring some gift, someone has sent you parcel, someone has send you the gift. Like you can say one example, nowadays online shopping you are doing na, so courier people are coming, they are gifting you. That is also a type of post. Okay, that is a private post and post office is a government, but both are same. If someone is getting admission, so for your admission, your bank related documents, okay, or some prices, whatever you are ordering or someone is gifting you, all those things postman is giving, but their life is not easy. In this story we got to know. Okay children, so you do also reading practice for this lesson. Best postman Kunwar Singh, and for this lesson your word meaning and question answer I will give in your assignment. Neat and clean write. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.